If you're seeing broken or missing game icons in Tinfoil, that can be kind of annoying. But don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix broken game icons so your library looks clean again. First, try refreshing the Tinfoil library. Sometimes the icons just fail to load temporarily. Click the refresh button and wait a few seconds. Often, this alone fixes missing icons. Tinfoil downloads icons from the internet, so a poor connection can cause them not to appear. Make sure your device has a stable connection, then refresh the library again. Sometimes old or corrupted cache files prevent icons from loading correctly. After clearing the cache, restart Tinfoil, and your icons should reload properly. If icons are still missing, try rebuilding Tinfoil's database. This reindexes all installed software. It may take a minute, but it usually restores broken or missing game icons. For stubborn cases, you can manually replace icons by downloading them online and placing them in the correct folder. This ensures every game in your library has the correct image. So refreshing the library, checking your connection, clearing the cache, rebuilding the database, or manually replacing icons usually fixes broken game icons in Tinfoil. After these steps, your library should look clean and fully functional.